Alright, in A's it tells us to sketch a set, so multiple graphs that build a cubic function, x to the third. This one says we need a y-intercept of 0, 8. 0, 8. Now, what the y-intercept means is when I build the binomials, this is the generic formula for building a function. The numbers in red that I'm about to write have to equal positive 8. So you might have something like this. 4, 2, and a negative 1. Because this becomes x minus 2, x minus 4, x plus 1. And if you look at these numbers here, class, what's negative 2 times negative 4? Positive 8, and positive 8 times 1 is also 8. So let's go ahead and graph those. So this is not x equals negative 2, this is x is equal to a positive 2. Then I have x equals a 4 here. And then I have x equals a negative 1. And essentially what you get there is you get a bunch of graphs that go through here. And maybe I'll make it extra credit where you can actually create the equation for that. So this pink one has a formula of being a positive slope going through 1, rise of 1, run of 1, rise of 1, run of 1, should be run of 1. So my equation here might be like g of x equals x plus 1. And then if I do the yellow one, positive 4, go down here to negative 4. This yellow one has a formula, let's call it h of x. It starts here on the y-intercept of negative 4, and also has a slope of up 1, right 1, so that's 1, slope of 1, slope of 1, slope of 1, so that would be x minus 4. And then you can just guess what the blue one's going to be. Let's call it f. Here's 2, here's negative 2, up 1, right 1. So it's a rise 1, run 1. That means the slope of 1 divided by 1 is 1. Up 1, right 1, slope of 1 over 1 gives you 1 as well. And that one goes to this value at negative 2. So my equation would be a y-intercept of negative 2 and a slope of 1. So I have, basically the big idea is 3 linears, linear times a linear times a linear, equals a cubic function. And when they actually draw the graph, you're asking how come this one doesn't go through 8. If you multiply all that out, you'll actually get a cubic function that actually goes up to 8. But the big idea is that you just need these values to multiply to be a positive 8.